Hello my beautiful people. Now today's video is a bikini try on haul on glassons. Their clothes are super cute, which by the way I am wearing one of their like crop tops. I bought it in like 4 different colors because I loved it so much, but I am 7 months pregnant so I can't really order any clothes. I don't like to order clothes when I'm pregnant, obviously, so I'm gonna wear postpartum to get on their clothing. Definitely check them out because they have the cutest things ever, but I was very interested in the bikinis because the pricing was great. Okay, the prints I'm going to show you today come in different styles, so if you love how it looks but like the top might not fit like your body, or you feel like the boobs or maybe the bottoms are too cheeky, then definitely still go check them out because they do have different styles for every single body type, which I loved. Let's start with the bikini that people have been asking me the most on my stories. This super cute cheetah print bikini. I'm gonna show you guys a picture of the top and the bottom right here. Let's start with the material. Okay, I'm gonna clear that out right now because I'm not gonna say the same thing about every single one of them because the material in all of the bikinis are amazing. My favorite part is that it's very stretchy. Like, look at this. And I'm not like super stretching it. I'm telling you guys that the quality is bomb, especially for the price. Like, I am mind blown. This is the cheeky bottom, okay? This is a bottom style that I feel like most of you girls like, and I love it, but I would have rather it be a little bit cheekier because I like to wear my bikinis over the hip bone, you know, to give my booty a little more of a shape because I don't really have a booty. Now the top looks, guys, while you're watching, looks fantastic. Fantastic. On camera, on pictures, it photographs beautifully, but sadly is not the most comfortable top. I don't think, I got a size 8. I'm gonna post everything here. You guys are gonna see sizing, pricing, how much I got it for, and so on. But the top, it's not comfortable. Like, as many of you guys know, I have a 1-year-old child and I am pregnant, like I said, so this is not the most comfortable top for me to be chasing my child. But for Instagram, you know, do it for the gram, it looks amazing. It looks so amazing. Obsessed with it, and you guys are gonna see this on my Instagram all over the place. Now let's go to bikini number 2. I got it in this pretty print. Please look at this print. It's so cute. I know it's a little spring-ish, but I don't care because I live in Florida and it's always sunny and hot, whatever, so I went for it. So this bottom is the same one as the cheetah print one. It's cheeky. I can wear it over the hip bone or not. It's really your choice. The top, you can actually wear it different ways. So you can wear it as a strapless, which is super convenient for tanning, but you can also wear the strap over your neck. It's fully adjustable, the top and the bottom, so you can really do whatever you want. If you're more creative than me, please comment below and let me know any other way I can wear this top. I did size up in this top, so all the bottoms are a size 4 or size 8 in Australia, and a size 8, I don't know if that's even a thing, but it's a size 4 in US. Like all the bottoms are a size 4, and the tops, most are a size 4, but this one in particular is a size 6. I did size up. I don't know why, maybe it wasn't available at the time, but I'm so glad I did because it has more room for, like, you know, movement and so on. Bikini number 3 is another flowery springish print. Please look at this, but it's mostly white and it's so freaking cute. This top I also got in a size 10 Australia, 6 US, just because I don't know why, but I'm so glad I did too. It's also fully adjustable. I don't know if the straps are supposed to go in the bottom or if this is supposed to go on the neck. Whatever, you can do whatever you want, whatever feels more comfortable for you and your boobies. I do think this top offers a lot of support, which is odd because the straps are so thin, but I think it's great because you can adjust it and make it as tight as you want. Now let's talk thong bottoms, beautiful people. If you know me, you know this is my, okay? The cheekier, the better, because it makes your butt look bigger, okay? And we all wanna big butt because, I don't know, because who doesn't like a big butt? So I love this bottom style. All the bikinis, this one and the next two bikinis are the same exact style. They're the thong, and it fits so good, guys. You can also wear it over your hip bone or just straight. It's really up to you. I loved how this combination looked together, so definitely check it out. This fourth set is so cute. I feel like the camera doesn't do it justice because it's kind of like shiny. So yeah, it's kind of shiny, but you can't really tell. But with the sun, it looks so pretty on. The bottom is also a thong, super stretchy, fits great. Now the top, when I first opened it, I was like, oh my god, how do I wear this? But it's so easy to figure out, honestly, and it's a style that I don't have any tops in this. And you can also wear it different ways, because you can wear it like this, you know, this is like one way, and you can also wear it this other way. So I think it's 100% worth the price. Love the combination, perfect for tanning, perfect for pictures, and bomb price. Now this last one, I thought I was gonna be super obsessed, and although I do like it a lot, I feel like it's not as stretchy as the other ones. Look at the material, it's black ribbed, and I don't know if it's because of the ribbed, but it's not as stretchy as the other ones, but it still looks super bomb. Same exact style. I do wish I would have sized up on this one, both on the bottom and the top. The top looks so good, guys. I love the details in the back, but I was scared of ordering a size bigger just because it ties with a clasp, and I was scared that it wasn't gonna fit my back because I do have a small back. But now with this pregnancy boobies, I definitely should have gone for a size bigger. But overall, super freaking cute. I highly recommend it. So that is it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. My overall review is go for it. They're so cute, they fit amazing. It's so hard for me to find very cheeky like thong styles that are not like a G-string bikini. So I'm so happy I found glassons. Material is great. They have many other different prints, different styles to fit every single body type. Definitely go and check them out, and comment below if you went for it and how your experience was. Aside from that, don't forget to subscribe. Oh my god, I can't believe I forgot to talk about shipping. They shipped super fast. It like arrived in my house. Like I made the order at night and it arrived like 4 days later. So shipping is bomb. But aside from that, thanks again for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed it.